Now I'm going to do diagonals. So I'm looking this way, and I'm going to look this way. So in one session, you can do a little bit. You can do both eyes, covering each eye. You can do circles both ways. You can do horizontals, verticals, diagonals. And if you want, you could try doing 20 of each. So you could do 20 circles this way, 20 circles this way, 20 horizontals, 20 verticals. You can do 20 diagonals. You need to strengthen up your eyes so that when you read, and this is very good for people who have migraines and headaches because the eyes need to have this kind of strength. Now, there's another exercise that you're going to do. After you finish doing those, you're going to take a pencil. I'm just using this as an example. And you take it to the bridge of your nose, which is right here. So you want to keep this single. You're going to keep it single, single, single. And it's going to get blurry. And your eyes are converging. They're looking at this. This will get blurry, which is normal. But you shouldn't have any pain. So you should be able to bring this right to the bridge of your nose, like that, and go out. 1. I don't feel any pain at all. So if you do feel pain, if you feel nauseous, just stop and you can do it another day. Because this, you need to be able to get strong to be able to bring the pencil. I'm using this, so if this was a pencil, you're bringing it to the bridge of your nose and you're looking at it all the way. It should stay single. If it doubles, that means your eyes have split apart. So if you can only go up to here, then go up to here. But it has to get single. And you want to work your way up to where you can bring it, keep the pencil single, and it's touching the bridge of your nose right here. And then you're going out. If you can only do it to here, then you're going to do that. You could feel pulling, tugging, pain in your eyes. That is not normal. So you want to work the exercises until you have no pain, no discomfort. And your reading is going to improve. Your headaches might really get much, much better. Migraines might get better also. So my father was an optometrist for 50 years, and these are the exercises that he would give his patients. So this really does help, and you just see if it helps you. Thank you very much.
And don't forget to book online massage therapy, because massage therapy is another tool who can help you with migraine and a headache.
That's right. We do soft tissue therapy, specialized
David
skill.
and me here to help you. We can go to your house, but the better if you come to our clinic. You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bye.